Hello RRB ALP aspirants. Do you know why most of the people fail in RRB ALP CBT2? Why? Because of they don't read the authentic and official trade syllabus from DGT website. Don't just study random books for electrician, fitter, diesel mechanic and electronics mechanic. RRB sets questions directly from the DGT or NIMI syllabus. Here in this video I will show you how to download the free official syllabus from DGT website which was given in RRB ALP notification. Now I'll show you how to download RRB ALP CBT2 materials from official Directorate General of Training website which was given in RRB ALP notification for various trades like electronics mechanic, heat engine, radio mechanic and fitter and electrician etc. So to download these free materials open any web browser like Google Chrome or else Microsoft Edge or else any other website open browsers. So and after opening that web browser just click on Directorate General of Training. Now just type Directorate General of Training. Okay, so here it is. Just enter that and it will open that website. So now see here. So first of all see here home page for Directorate General of Training is there, right? So and just click on the first website which was resembling here. Just click on it. After that main page will be open. Okay, so this is the official website for ITA trades, all trades, and this is the official website for Directorate General of Training. Okay, and this is the website which was given in notification. So here you can see this is for RRBLP 2026, and here you can see lot of website links, and I'll show you official syllabus for various trades. Just click on schemes and programs. Just click on schemes and programs. Okay, so after clicking on schemes and programs you can see here first option schemes for learning. After clicking on here we can see CTS. Okay, right side CTS, just click on CTS. Okay, after clicking on CTS you can see another website. So here you can download the official trade syllabus first, not materials. You can just first download syllabus. So list of CTS courses. Here it's right. So click on it. Here you can see lot of ITA trades and their individual syllabus. Okay. So you just need to know first name of the trade and just after that syllabus. You can see here lot of ITA trades, agriculture and soil testing and computer culture and sewing, electronics mechanic, heat engine, fitter, diesel mechanic, whatever it may be. Okay, so I want electronics mechanic. Why? Because that is the my trade syllabus, right? So I need to check where it is. Okay, so go through the bottom of the page. It will be there at anywhere. Okay, so after clicking on this website you can see you can access a lot of electronics mechanic or else electric radio mechanic, tractor mechanic, motor vehicle, diesel and motor control vehicle, lot of ITA trades. Okay, so I need so here it is electronics mechanic, my trade syllabus. So from here download the syllabus. This is the official syllabus only, not materials. Okay, this is the trade syllabus only. So after clicking and after downloading the syllabus, go back to the main web page. After downloading the syllabus I came to the official web page. So here you can see here useful links, one option is there, right? So just click on useful links. After that you can see apprentice portal, Bharat skills learning portal and etc. So you need to click on just Bharat skills learning portal option only. Okay, just click on that. After clicking on there is a one pop-up message, it will go to external website like that. So just click on OK, nothing else. Okay, After clicking on that, it will go to another website of DGT. It opens another web page. So here you can see another CTS. Okay, just click on that CTS option. After clicking on CTS option, here it is. These are the official trade materials, free trade materials for all IT students and the students, the aspirants who are preparing for RRB ALP CBT 2. Here you can see electrician, fitter, electronics mechanic, turner, machinist, refrigerator, plumber, sewing technology, and mechanic tractor, lot of things. Okay, so you can download whatever it may be. If you want which trade materials, you can download from here. And IT students, all IT students will be useful for these trade materials. So I want electronics mechanic, right? So I will just click on electronics mechanic. Here you can see study materials and employability skills. After that, question bank, mock test, and QP and curriculum. And after finally, e-learning portal. I'll tell you what is e-learning portal also. So first of all, you can see trade practical is there, right? So trade practical is not for us, it is for regular IT students. So they need to do practicals, right? So trade theory, just download trade theory, which was useful for RRB LP CBT 2. So and electronics mechanic is a 2 years course, right? So the here you can see 2 years courses, and these materials are available in Hindi, Tamil, Bengal, Punjab, Assami and English only. So you can download whatever you are possible to read and you are comfortable read. Okay, so I'll download trade theory English. I am comfortable in English medium, right? Okay, that's why I will download first year and second year. Electronics mechanic is a 2 years course. So you need to study two materials, first year material and as well as second year materials. After downloading the materials, you can check all the materials and question bank. You can access question bank previous year questions and what type of questions will become. You can take mock test also. Okay, and these are the practice books only. And i'll pin I pinned practice books in description, video description, best practice books after studying this. Okay, and e-learning portal is very useful for all candidates. Here you can see safety signs, types of fire extinguishers, all IT trade materials and their individual classes in YouTube. So you can see the topic name here and access the video link, YouTube video link, right side. Total, I'll show you how many videos are there. 106 videos are there in this e-learning portal. So no need to worry, all materials available here, and all video classes are also free. Video classes are also available in government website. So you can download and you can read everything and you can pass easily RRB LP CVT 2. So don't neglect and practice. First complete the trade theory, after that you can read that YouTube videos also. After mock test, so for mock test, I think textbook is best platform. Why? Because I am also using personally textbook. So I am recommending textbook. You can go to textbook, link is in description. And all free trade materials and some other materials, basic science and engineering materials, all are pinned in description. So you can go through that. For practice books also, I pinned in description.